You should not use plumber's putty instead of a wax ring to seal a toilet base to the flange. Wax rings create a reliable, water and gas tight seal by compressing between the toilet horn and the flange. Install a new wax ring every time you set a toilet because reused wax will not reseal. For a cleaner alternative, consider a foam gasket or a rubber seal system, which compresses similarly but resists deformation and is easier to handle without leaving a greasy residue. When installing any of these, remove the old wax completely. Inspect the flange for cracks or corrosion, and make sure the flange sits flush with the finished floor. If the flange is below the finished floor by more than about 1/4 inch, use a flange extender or double wax ring setup for proper support. Center the toilet over the floor bolts without rocking, lower it straight down to compress the seal evenly, then tighten the bolts incrementally and alternately to avoid cracking the ceramic. After setting the toilet, do not over-tighten the bolts because that can warp the base or break the porcelain, which leads to leaks even with a perfect seal. Finally, test for leaks by flushing several times and checking around the base and the tank bolts where water can track. Common mistakes include using plumber's putty around the base, which will not compress to form a long-term seal and can deteriorate when exposed to moisture, so use a proper wax ring or foam or rubber gasket instead. Another frequent issue is not addressing a damaged or improperly positioned flange, which causes uneven compression and leaks. The fix is to repair or raise the flange so the seal sits flat. A third is over-tightening the closet bolts, which can crack the toilet and create a leak path even when the seal is intact. Tighten evenly and only until the toilet is snug and immobile. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare options related to toilet seals and bathroom plumbing projects. We connect contractors looking for work with homeowners and host a discussion community where we and others share real-world tips, product experiences, and step-by-step guidance.